Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today, a bunch of you guys have been requesting for a bunch of chicken wings, and I decided why not make some more chicken wings. But this time we're not going to be making honey ranch lemon pepper. We're going to be trying out a new flavor, chili lime wings. So it's very simple. It's a very simple recipe. We have the chicken wings right here. Very nice, very cut. You don't want them too big and you don't want them too small. You want them to be perfect size, medium like this. So we have all our seasonings, onion powder, salt, baking powder, chili oil. Then we have chili powder, paprika, and salt, black pepper, then our baking powder. And also for the wings, you could use flour or you could use cornstarch. But today we're going to be using all-purpose flour. That's about it, so let's get straight into the video.
Welcome.
Okay, so to begin, we're gonna add some oil on the chicken wings. Make sure everything is covered in it. Everything is covered in the oil so that all the seasonings can stick to the wings. Put a little bit of oil. That should be enough. So now we're going to mix in all the oil, make sure everything is coated in it. We can go ahead and start adding the seasonings. Now we're going to mix all of this. Now we're going to go ahead and add the flour, make sure everything is battered in it. The wings, make sure everything is battered with the flour. We poured all the flour on it. We're gonna go ahead and mix all of it in. Now that all the flour is marinated with the chicken wings, we can go ahead and start baking them. So normally we usually fry our chicken wings, but today we're gonna be baking them. We're gonna put them on broil inside of our oven and make sure everything is crispy, everything is nice. So let's get straight to it. Okay, once you're gonna want to marinate your chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes. So in the meantime, we're gonna prep all our stuff. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and spray our pan. Make sure that none of the stuff stick onto it when we're flipping it. None of the skin comes off and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and spray it. Make sure everything is covered in it. We're gonna go ahead and lay our chicken wings on top of the pan and make sure none of the chicken wings are touching each other so that they don't stick to each other. So now we're gonna boil all the chicken wings for about 30 minutes, 15 minutes on each side. Make sure everything is cooked evenly. So let's go ahead and toss them in the oven. So as things are done, we're gonna go ahead and take them out. These are very crispy. You can see the crisp coming off of it as I pick it up. It's very crispy. This is exactly how you're gonna want the wings. And really, we could just not make the sauce and just eat it like these, but we have to make the sauce to fully complete the recipe. See, we're gonna be making the sauce for the wings. It's very simple. All you need is butter, lemon zest, lime juice, and chili oil, and that's your sauce. So let's begin. So now that we already melted the butter, we're gonna go ahead and add some chili oil. Then we're gonna mix it all in there. Now you're gonna want to add an entire lime. Make sure all the juice gets inside there. Now that you put the lime in and added the lime juice and everything, you're going to want to add some honey. And you're not gonna add too much, just a little bit. That should be enough. Now you're gonna want to mix it in. Then when everything is mixed, you could go ahead and add the lime zest. And this right here is our chili sauce. Now we can go ahead and add it to the chicken wings. Now, as you can see, the chili sauce is done. So we can go ahead and add it to the chicken wings. Now we can go ahead and add our chili sauce to the wings.
No thanks, I like that.
So, as you guys can see, this is the final product. Look at this beauty. Chili lime wings. Recipe is very simple. It's very easy, especially the sauce. The sauce is the easiest thing out of all of this. I myself thought it was gonna be a little bit tricky to, make, but it turned out being really simple. You could even see all the sauce glistening off of the wing. So beautiful. But yeah, these chili and lime infused wings, we're gonna be taking a bite out of it. So, bismillah. Oh my goodness. This is one of my favorite wings, aside from the honey ranch lemon pepper. These are gonna be my new top flavor. Oh my god. We can see the tenderness of the wing. All of that juice. Now we're gonna be sprinkling some lime on it. Okay. So as a kid, I would really appreciate you guys if you guys like and subscribe, because I'm only 13 and I just started this thing not too long ago. So it would really make me happy, really inspire me if you guys just like and subscribe. And also comment down your opinion on these wings, and also make sure to share my videos. So, assalamu alaikum. Thanks you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And I want to go ahead and thank every single one of you. Without you guys, I wouldn't even be